Hi guys, welcome back to MYVLMA, Plantation, Florida. Today I'm going to show you the Siu Nim Tao form, how to exercise it, and right after I'm going to explain you the 3 main points for every beginner, how to start to do that, not to make mistakes. Let's go! Okay, so let's start with the first main point, is your stance. When you open your stance, okay, I show it what people do wrong. I show it from the profile that you can see what everything is wrong. They start here, they pull their arms forward, and then they withdraw them back, pull them back, which is wrong. It doesn't matter on what perspective you have. There's no idea behind that. First mistake. Second mistake, they bend forward, then they open up, and then they bend backward, and then they bend forward again, and then they adjust to have an upright posture. All of this is wrong, okay? So they don't have any understanding for the form. This is always like bouncing a tree in the wind. Makes no sense. From the beginning, you have to stand upright, pull up your wrists in a straight line, and you do it while your elbows are striking backwards. You see, slightly go down, bend your knees, open up, your stance, you stand the whole time, you're ready to execute the form, okay? So keeping the stance, how to maintain the right stance. I'm doing it from the front. That's it, okay? Solid, easy done, you see nothing changes. Next thing, your breathing. Your breathing has to be calm, okay? Because when you start to move quickly, people start to get stuck here. No, the breathing has to come from the tummy. All the time, calm and easy. It doesn't matter how fast you strike, how hard you strike, how dynamic you work. It has to be calm and easy, okay? And the next thing is, whenever your breath or your breathing is stuck here, you start to lift the muscle here, the delta muscle, and they start to do this, okay? So all these things will never work for you. So it's about calmness. It's about how to stand steady and calm. And the next thing is straight out your arms. Straight out your arms. Straight out your arms. Because you want to have thrusting out or thrusting through power. And you will never have thrusting through power when you stop your arm like here, okay? So that all of this is wrong. Don't do these things. And the next thing is, whenever I see them starting to do the form, it doesn't matter, beginners or masters, they all make the same mistake who practice like that. They start like here and they bend backwards, and it always looks somehow like this. Okay, or some of them they stand like this. Okay, you see, all of this is wrong. The Siu Nim Tao teaches you a steady stand, always upright, and the arms are independently moving from your body. You're training your your leg muscles, okay, because standing here will cause some jittering because you start to exhaust, so if you endure this, okay, the next thing is always be upright, and even when you punch, it makes no sense to pull back when you punch forward because you're gonna take away the target, you see? Thrust out. Pay attention to all of these things, and the Siu Nim Tao foam is gonna work for you. You're gonna be stronger, more flexible, and you will have a deeper understanding of the system. So guys, stay tuned. MYVLMA, Martial Arts Center, Dracula Beach, Plantation, Florida. Experience the best.